happy about. If God is working for us, why should we try to work for ourselves? When we try to work for ourselves, we make confusion. When we try to work for ourselves, we stumble and we fall. We make errors. We make mistakes because we cannot do it ourselves. We can do nothing without God. And if you believe that you can do nothing without God, if God is not in it, it can't do good. It can't turn out good. Nothing good going to come out of it if God is not in it. If God is in it, and you know and you believe that God is loving you, be happy, be joyful, because you know. He said, when mother and father forsake you, I, the Lord, going to take you up. That is how much He loves us. So let it be short and let it be sweet, so the gospel